Hi, this is Jeremy, the Customer Success Manager at TownWeb. In this video, we're going to look at how to post news and notice items to your dashboard. Let's get started.
Now we'll navigate to the left side of the page and choose the Post News and Notices button. Click there, which will open the Create News and Notices window. The first thing we'll do is create a title for our notice. In this example, we're going to have a recycling day. Now this button here, this image, is for the front page or the top of the news notice item as it's displayed on your home page. So for this example, let's choose a recycling symbol image. And then we're going to categorize it. So we're going to choose news and notices. Now in your town, you may also have Spotlight. And the function of Spotlight and news and notices vary by town and website. So if you need further information on the functionality of yours, please contact support. If you want to add a link to a PDF or an image in the body here, we can add media here. We can just click Add Media and choose from images and files that we've previously uploaded to our site. For instance, if we had a PDF that we wanted to include the link for. So you're just going to get a hyperlink when you add the PDF here. Recycling Day, we'll call it. So I'm just putting in the title of the text to display rather. And then this is the actual address of that PDF. So now we have a link to the PDF. We could also add an image in the body of the message in the news and notice item. Okay, so now we have an image to display here in the body of the news and notice item. And lastly, we'll come to the bottom here and click Save News and Notice. You'll notice that it's red, which means that it's being posted immediately to the site. Once it's saved, it takes us to the news and notices list of all the news and notices that we've previously posted. You'll see we have a total of 8. If there's anything I wanted to change, I could navigate to the right here and click Modify. Or if I wanted to delete it, say it's been up on my site for a few months and it's served its purpose, I can just click Delete and it is no longer on the site. And that's how we do news and notices.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, please contact our support team at support@townweb.com or via phone or directly through your dashboard by clicking Create a Support Ticket.
Thank you.